Tara na ulit na tumakbo at ngayon na naman po ako ulit makakatakbo dahil nga po naging busy ako. Kaya tara mga ka-Dauntless, samahan niyo na po ako ngayong gabi.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things.
Natapos na rin po akong tumakbo. Ngayon naman po ay mag-exercise na tayo. At ang oras ay 8:30 na po. 8:27. I know. Yeah. 8:28 na po. So, mag-exercise na po tayo. And then, it's a cool down para po ano tayo? Mga ating mga katawan.
It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go, you can take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all we know. Whoa, I can't stay if you can't let it go. I never really know what's going on. And even when you're next to me, I feel like you were gone. It's all the things.
Maraming salamat mga ka-Dauntless sa pagsama niyong muli sa akin ngayong gabi. Mag-ingat po ang lahat at good night. At huwag pong kalimutan na lagi po tayong mag-ehersisyo sa kahit na anong paraan na makakabuti sa ating kalusugan. Hanggang sa muli, mahal po kayong lahat.